Hey, boys and girls, it is Thursday, September 17th, 2020, and this is the writing lesson we did this morning, planning and beginning my story. We're going to start a new story today, and I want to walk through the slides with you so that you know what you need to do. Okay? So we've only had a short amount of time to write. Today you'll be able to practice the skills that you've been learning as a writer. Oops. So let's get started. We need to be sure we are writing our best work. Personal narratives are true stories that have happened with you in them. It's the same as the small moments you learned in first grade, second grade, third grade, but now we call them personal narratives because you're able to do so much more in your writing. Your writing needs to include a beginning, middle, and end. You need to describe the people, the characters, the places, settings, and the events or actions. Tell how you feel using your senses. Did you smell something? Did you see something? Did you hear something? And using dialogue. Now let's give it a try. So it's so important that you write like you tell the story, just like you talk. So to do your plan, you're going to go to your writing section of your binder, and you're going to write down the words in blue. Example, beginning, middle, and end. And in the example, you're going to put your possible topic. For example, mine is my puppy. And then you're just going to write a quick sentence to say what you'd like to write in your beginning paragraph, the middle paragraph, and the end paragraph. This is just a simple outline. It can be written in your binder. You don't have to turn that in. Once you're finished with this plan, you're going to go on to writing your beginning paragraph. You're going to submit it on a Google Doc. In the assignment portion. Be sure that you've included as many details as you can, that you have the reader hooked. They want to read the rest of the story. Remember, today you're going to do the plan and the beginning paragraph. Tomorrow we'll work on the middle paragraph and the ending paragraph. Happy writing!